everybody. Now we are meeting another precious gem, Divyani Bharadwaj, and she is also a multi talented youngster, a beautiful author, a good painter, masters of spellings. So, welcoming Divyani Bharadwaj. How are you, Divyani?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm also fine. Thank you so much. And how's your day? How much you're excited about today's podcast?
I'm very excited actually. I was just thinking about what I'm going to say.
Wow. So we are also excited to interact with you. And on this World Digital Detox Day, we are getting an opportunity to know your experiences, like how you manage your life without a phone at a very young age. And you have achieved so much in life, like you have won so many competitions, you are a good painter, you're an author, you've written books, and you have won spell bee competitions as well. So how did you manage all these things without being distracted from your phones or gadgets?
The main reason I'm focused is because I don't get distracted from digital gadgets and I enjoy everything I do. Like, I love to read, I get lost in my world when I'm reading. I love to cook, and I also love to paint. These hobbies just make me feel peaceful and I feel calm. Growing up, my family always believed in mindfulness and moderate way of living. These two values are still very important to me till date. But today's generation is already facing the issues of digital addiction. Social media, mobile phones, and online marketings are now directly targeting young children. They use junk food, fancy snacks, and beauty products that are not even meant for them and are meant for adults. Girls under the age of 10 are already looking for the perfect makeup and the best skincare.
So without phone, life is not easy for this generation. But you are doing it and you are achieving new heights and you're shining your way.
I feel that without a phone, I feel more connected to myself, and that's what keeps me motivated towards going further in life. And all these achievements would not have been possible without my mother's guidance. I have a focus, I keep on moving ahead with the flow of life.
Very nice. Very good.
I would like to tell you a rather shocking story of a 5-year-old kid who went into the jungle for the very first time. Can you imagine? He was looking for charging points in the tree trunk. This shows us how attached he is to his phone. Even the famous singer Ed Sheeran has set a great example. He went off his phone for a while and said something truly meaningful. I want to see the world through my eyes and not through my phone. This line has stayed with me. It is not just about screen time, it is about mental health, sleep, confidence, friendships, and overall growth. Children are becoming lonely, physically inactive, and emotionally dependent on their phones instead of real relationships.
And Divyani, like you have so many friends in your school. And what would be that one thing which you would like to, convey to your friends to keep themselves away from screens and why it is important for them?
Actually, these days we get to notice a lot that children are having less attention spans and they don't have that much patience left. And I feel that in the future it's going to affect their lives. So what I would like to tell them is that focus more on what's outside in the world, like nature. Spend time with your family, with your parents to connect with them because these bonds will create better lives in future, and that is what will take you ahead in life.
Great, wonderful message. So now I'll be giving you 60 seconds on this World Digital Detox Day. And what would be that one motto or message which you would like to convey to the audience?
We are observing World Digital Detox Day on December 10th. Detox happens when there is overuse or misuse of something. Therefore, we must have a balanced and mindful approach. There is a whole world to experience outside of your screen. My message is simple: put down your phone and pick up your life.
Wow, such a wonderful message. And we will always be keep going with this motto of your no screen and go green thing. And this is something really very appreciable. So thank you so much once again, Divyani, for your time, and see you in the next segment.
Thank you so much.